Hi guys, welcome to my channel Survey World by Tesichukwu. So today I'll be teaching you how to carry out preliminary settings on Autocad. Today's video is for Autocad beginners. Before you start drawing or plotting any survey drawing, there are settings you must carry out, and these settings are called preliminary settings. But before I get into it, I would like you to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload new videos. Thank you so much for doing that. Now let's get into it. So to draw or to plot any survey drawing, you'll be needing Autocad. For me, I'm using Autocad Civil 3D 2018. You can use your normal Autocad. You can also use land development. Okay. So there are two ways you can carry out these settings. You can carry out these settings by going through the menu bar. Okay, this is the menu bar, and going through format, or you can go through this A icon here at the topmost left. Okay, so we'll carry out these settings using these two steps. Okay, so but first of all, we'll go through the menu bar. So on getting to the menu bar, you click on format and you scroll down to units. Click on units. Okay, and then once the window opens up, you will see length. Under length, you will see type. Okay, you click on the drop down arrow. There you will see architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. Okay, our length type is in decimal. Okay, so you click on decimal. Then for the precision, your data in survey usually is in 3 decimal places. Okay, so you scroll down to where you have your 3 decimal places, which is this 0.000. okay, 0.000. then you click on it. Then you move to your right where you see the angle. Under it you see type. Okay, now click on the drop down arrow. You see decimal degrees, degree minutes and seconds, gradients, radians, surveyors units. Okay, for the angle type we're using degree minutes and seconds. Okay, of course that's the surveyor's unit for angles, for bearings. Okay, now for the precision, you have 0 degrees, 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. Okay, so you select 0 degrees, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. And of course, every drawing in surveying must go in a clockwise direction, so you click on clockwise. Okay, you click on clockwise. On units, you come down here. Depending on your country, in Nigeria we make use of meters. There are some countries that use inches, there are some countries that use feet, some use kilometers, but in Nigeria we use meters. So what you do is you scroll down and search for the units your country make use of. So now I'm selecting meters. Then I will scroll down to direction tab. I'll click on it, and our direction is usually north. Anything you're drawing is towards the north, so you select north, click OK, and then you click OK as well. Now you've carried out your unit settings. Okay, so I told you that there are 2 ways of doing this. Either you go through the menu bar or you go through the icon A at the topmost left. Now going to the icon A, we're moving over to the second way of doing this, of setting these units. So on clicking the icon A, it pops out a window and you will scroll down to drawing units. Okay, then on getting there, it brings out another window where you see drawing properties, drawing settings, units. Okay, you click on units. Okay, now you can see that it brought out the same drawing units we just finished setting. Okay, that's to show you what I said earlier, that you can either set your units by going through the menu bar or by going through this A icon. You can see all the settings we've carried out are still in place: the decimal, the 3 decimal places, the meters, the degree, minutes and seconds, the 0 degree, 00 minutes, 00 seconds clockwise, and also the direction is still north. So you can see that either of these ways will get you to the correct settings. Okay, so you just close it. You close it. Then another setting that you must carry out before you begin your survey drawing is projection, setting of coordinate system, giving your job a coordinate system, giving it a datum, setting it to a datum. Okay, so we do that by going back to this A icon, clicking on it. You scroll down to drawing units, and then you go to drawing settings. This time around, not units, drawing settings. You click on it. Wait, it's loading. Okay, so you see units and zone. This is where you set your coordinate system. Okay, I think I have set the coordinate systems before now. Okay, but I will still show you how it's done. So here, drawing units, you click on the drop down arrow. You can see feet, you can see meters. Like I said earlier, Nigeria will make use of meters, so I'll just click on meters. Okay, angular units is degrees. Then I'll come down to categories here. Normally, if it has not been set, it will show you no datum, no projection. Okay, so what you do is you come here. You can see that once you click on the drop down arrow, it shows you the list of countries. You can see different countries here. So what you do is you look for your country in the list and select it. My country is Nigeria, so I'll just look for Nigeria and click it, Nigeria. Now, available coordinate systems. Here you will click on the drop down arrow and it will show you all the available coordinate systems for your country. Okay, now if you look at this list, these are the available coordinate systems for my country, Nigeria. So now what I will do is I will select the datum and the zone where my job falls in. Okay, the location of my job falls in zone 32. Okay, in Nigeria we have 3 zones. We have zone 31, we have zone 32, and we have zone 33. Okay, now we also have Nigeria Mid Belt, Nigeria East Belt, and Nigeria West Belt. Nigeria East Belt is the zone 31, and Nigeria Mid Belt is the zone 32. Then Nigeria West Belt is a 33, zone 33. Okay, so for my job is in UTM zone 32, and the datum is Mina, and Mina is a local datum. Okay, so as soon as you click on it, it brings out all of this. Now the description, Mina / UTM zone 32, and projection is UTM, datum is Mina. Okay, as soon as you have all of this, you go and you click apply. You now wait. After it has finished applying these settings, you now click OK. Now you are ready to begin your survey drawing. Please take note, before you start any drawing, you must carry out these settings for your job to come out accurately, free from errors. You must carry out these settings. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and I believe you learned a lot from this teaching. So I would like you to click on the like button smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload new videos. And please, if you have any questions for me, drop them in the comment section. If you have topics you want me to treat, also drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time. Bye.